A very good evening all of you. So today in this video I will revise Assam Sahitya Sabha. Okay, so I already made a video on this. So I made a video on important academic and social organization. Okay, so I made a video on this. So today we will be revising Assam Sahitya Sabha or Assam Sahitya Sabha. Okay, so I will recall important points. Okay, so first of all, Assam Sahitya Sabha is the most important literary and cultural body to uplift the Assamese language in India. So I hope you will remember. So what is Assam Sahitya Sabha? It is the most important literary and cultural body to uplift Assamese language, Assamese literature and Assamese culture in the state of Assam. So for example, if you are writing a book and you want to promote that thing, so you go to Assam Sahitya Sabha. So I told IASO means important academic and social organization. Academic means related to studies and social means it is related to society. Okay, so when you help someone without any monetary intention, that is called social. It's an organization because it is formed by group of people. So let us revise. It is an important literary and cultural body to uplift Assamese what three things: Assamese literature, language and culture. So it is a important academic and social organization. So that is about Assam Sahitya Sabha. So first, so it's like you can compare it to the Indian National Congress. Okay, so meeting is held every year. So now next is its first meeting was held on 26 December 1917. So its meeting was held on 26 December 26 December 1900 and what 1917. So so in exam sometimes question is asked, when did the first meeting of Assam Sahitya Sabha took place? So the first meeting of Assam Sahitya Sabha took place on 26 December 1917. So that is about Assam Sahitya Sabha. Next, at the time, so earlier the name of Assam Sahitya Sabha was not Assam Sahitya Sabha or Assam Sahitya Sabha. So name was Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. So the name was Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. So instead of Sabha, it was Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. So will you remember? So let us revise. So the Assam Sahitya Sabha is an important academic and social organization. Okay, so what it is? Important academic and social organization to uplift the what? To uplift the literary. It's a literary and cultural body to uplift three things: Assamese language, literature and culture. So I hope you will not forget these things. Okay, next let us see. So now on 5th of May 1924 it was registered as Assam Sahitya Sabha. So 1917 the name it was established, but under the name Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. Okay, but the name Assam Sahitya Sabha was given in the year 1924, 5th of May. Even if you don't remember the date, 5th of May, it is more than okay. So 1917 পড়া 1924. So 7 বছর হয়ে গেল. So in 7 years the name of Assam Sahitya Sabha was changed to Assam Sahitya Honmiloni. So just remember these things. Okay, so now let us talk about the head office. Okay, head office. So the head office of Assam Sahitya Sabha, that is Assam Sahitya Honmiloni, is in Jorhat. Okay, the head office of Assam Sahitya Honmiloni is in Jorhat and its branch offices are located in Guwahati, Difu and Dhuburi. So the Assam Sahitya Sabha's head office is in Jorhat. The Assam Sahitya Sabha's head office is in Jorhat, and so Jorhat is the head office and the branch offices, okay, is Guwahati. Yes, it is in Guwahati, Difu and Dhuburi. So just remember. So let us revise again. So Assam Sahitya Sabha is an important academic and social organization. I already told you it's an important academic and social organization. So it is the most important, what I told you, literary and cultural body. So it is a important body related to literature, and it is also important to culture. So culture will, what does culture include? Culture include bihu, dance, these all things. Okay, paintings, architecture, sculpture, pottery. So these are related to culture. And literature, what is the meaning of literature? Literature means books written by some popular author. So I said Assam. So when a question on Assam Sahitya Sabha comes, just write it is a important academic and social organization. So do not forget this. The first meeting was held on, what did I tell you? Just remember, dash dash dash. The first meeting was held on 26 December 1917. So will you remember 26 December 1907? And during that time the name of Assam Sahitya Sabha was not Assam Sahitya Sabha, it was Ochom Hodiu Ochom Sahitya Honmiloni. Okay, the name was Ochom Sahitya Honmiloni, and the name was in 1924 it was registered as Assam Sahitya Sabha. But okay, now talking about the branch offices, tell me the branch offices, headquarter, or the head office of Assam Sahitya Sabha is, where is the head office? Head office of Assam Sahitya Sabha is in Jorhat, and the branch offices are in 3 places. Just recall, what are the 3 places? Recall. So I will tell you after 10 seconds. So my question to you is, what are the 3 places, what are the 3 branch offices of Assam Sahitya Sabha? The headquarter is in Jorhat. Can you just recall? The first one is question mark, second one is question mark, third one is question mark. So head office is in Guwahati. Okay, Difu and Dhubri. So Dhubri is in West Assam, Difu is in East Assam, Guwahati is in Central Assam. Difu is in Karbi Anglong, definitely. Dhubri is near West Bengal, and Guwahati is the capital. Dispur is the capital of Assam. So today we have discussed till now only this topic. So I will continue in the next class. I hope you understood. After reading this, you understood what is Assam Sahitya Sabha, how to begin your answer. Thank you very much.